Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a question you've probably never thought about, but definitely have the answer to. Why do people love YouTube? Let's break it down. First up, accessibility. YouTube is everywhere. Whether you're on a coffee break or stuck in traffic, you can watch anything you want, anytime, on any device. All you need is an internet connection. Variety. YouTube has something for everyone. From learning how to cook your favorite dish to catching up on the latest tech trends, the platform has it all. It's like a buffet of content, but for your brain. Let's not forget, it's free. Sure, there are ads, but you can access millions of videos without spending a dime. And if you're really not a fan of ads, there's always YouTube Premium. YouTube isn't just about watching videos, it's about connection. Creators and viewers form real communities. Whether you're into gaming, DIY crafts, or fitness, there's a tribe waiting for you. And finally, let's talk about growth. YouTube is the ultimate learning hub. Want to pick up a new skill, dive into a hobby, or just learn something random? It's all here. So there you have it. Accessibility, variety, free content, community, and endless learning. No wonder people can't get enough of YouTube. What's your favorite thing about it? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe for more.